Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys know I've been absolutely loving these lashes that I picked up on Amazon, and you know what? This is now an empties. So a girl went on Amazon and she picked up a brand new set, so we're going to be unboxing this set right here today. We're going to unbox it, we're going to review it, we're going to test it out, try it on, and score it. Alright guys, let's get into it. Okay, so these are the lashes right here, and what made me pick this set was because I really love this full lash right here. This lash, kind of these four lashes, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, these four lashes right here. I was really gravitating towards these ones, but these three right here, I kind of loved for like an everyday look where it's not so like dramatic in your face, wow. Because you guys know if you've been watching my videos lately, it's all about that full glam lash, and I absolutely love it. So that's why I picked up these, because I really wanted to try it, like something a little sassy, a little bit more sexy, a little bit more sultry, that more heavy duty glam look. But then you've also got like these three here, and these three are more natural, everyday, you know, office, you know, what are we talking about? Zoom friendly, you know, kind of everyday glam look lashes. Those are great. This set also comes with your 2 magnetic liners and the applicator right here. Love that. So let's try this out. Alright guys, I'm shaking this bottle of magnetic lash liner. This is saying make sure and do an allergy test. So I'm actually going to swatch this on the back of my wrist, and I'm going to leave that on for 10 minutes. Okay, this is actually a really clean line, like that. I'm gonna leave this on my wrist for 10 minutes and I will be right back. Alright guys, I've got no allergic reaction whatsoever, so let's go ahead and use this. Guys, I always love to do an allergy test when I'm testing a new product, but I also recommend that you do one too at home, because if you're testing a new product and you don't know how your skin's going to react, you guys know I have sensitive skin and I have dry skin, so I always like to take that extra step. Alright guys, so I've already got my eye makeup on, and you guys can tell that I've already got liquid liner on, and I actually used the Makeup by Mario liquid liner to create this line, which is like fabulous. I love it. So I'm actually going to go over that line, not completely, because I did do a cat eye corner, so obviously we're not going to bring that magnetic liner that far, but I will go over that line just to my inner corner and then back this way. Starting at the outer corner. And swiping all the way across my lid. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that dry just for a quick second, and then I'm gonna go in with a second coat. I'm gonna repeat the same steps on the other eye. Alright guys, I just went in and I did 2 coats of the magnetic liner on each eye. And you know what? It's giving me a clean line. It's giving me that precision I'm looking for. It's very liquidy, but not too thick. I actually really like it. Almost, I think I kind of like this one so far more than I actually like the liner in my favorite, which is this one. This is actually a really great, you know, liner, but we're not done yet. We're gonna see actually how it wears and how it performs with the magnets. So because a girl has claws, I had camera guy go in and dig out this little lash applicator for me, and what he found underneath was actually this metal palette, which you guys know I love a good metal palette. I use my MAC palette all the time. This would actually be really great for when you're doing an individual lash and you're putting your glue down on something like a paper towel or a palette. So this is actually kind of cool that you get this as a free gift with the purchase of this kit. Alright, so I want to go in with 2 different lashes to show you guys a comparison. Okay, so I picked up this lash right here, and this actually has 5 magnets on it. So now that I have the lash I've got picked out, it says to bend it to make the band softer to make it fit your eye shape perfectly. This lash actually has 5 magnets on the back of it, so I think that's awesome. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to place this on my eye. So I'm starting always with the outer corner. I'm going to place that down where I want that outer corner to land. So far it's got good grip. I'm just squeezing my natural lashes and the magnetic lashes together to make them look seamless. I already have applied mascara to my natural lashes. Okay, so this is the really full lash in this particular kit. I actually really love that. It's like super glam, super cheeky, super fun, sassy, love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna pick a different lash out of the set, probably one that is more subtle, more of a daytime look lash, because I want you guys to see the diversity between the set, and we're gonna see how it applies. So I'm actually gonna go in probably with this guy right here. That one's really cute, love that. So I'm gonna just grab that lash. Again, these lashes have 5 magnets, in case I forgot to tell you guys. So they've got 5 magnets per lash. All right guys, we're going to grab that lash. We're going to bend the band, just making it more pliable to adhere to our eye shape. I'm just gonna grab that lash right there. We're going to place it on the lid. Again, starting with our outer corner. You just place it on, the magnet adheres, and then bring it over. So that is actually really subtle. It's giving me 2 completely eye looks, and I actually really like that. It's subtle, it's like a daytime, you could Zoom call with this, you know, office meetings where it's not too extra. Now, mind you, this is the girl that would go into her office with this lash versus this one, but I actually don't mind it. For like an everyday, kind of subtle, you know, go get your mail kind of a lash, this one is cute. But your girl will go get her mail with this lash for sure. All right guys, let me know what you think of this kind of a lash review in the comments down below. I love knowing what you guys think, and I love writing back. So let's go in, score these products. Starting with application. So I did have a little bit of struggles with this one. It was like, I didn't even feel it. So when I put the liner on my actual eyelid, I guess a little bit had dropped down on my lash, and I didn't realize it until the magnet got up there on the actual magnetic lash, and it adhered strangely to my physical lash, and I'm like taking it off, you know, taking it on, adding more liner. It's like, okay. You guys need to be a little bit wary because it is a fluid liquid line that you guys need to just be aware that it might drop on your actual lash, and then the magnet's gonna adhere to it. So that creates a bit of a hot mess. But third time's a charm. Once your girl got a hang of it, it went on beautifully, seamlessly, and I actually really do enjoy it. So for application, I'm actually gonna give this an 8 out of 10. I actually really like this set, and I think you get a lot of products, and I love the quality. Like, nothing feels cheap. When it came to my other set that I was telling you guys about that I also bought on Amazon, I found that the actual liner itself felt almost empty, but this one actually has some weight to it, so it feels like there's product in there. So I feel like maybe you get more product in the bottle because of the weight of the two of them as a weight comparison. I'm going to give this a score of 7 out of 10. Okay, so I feel like this is actually adhering to my lash line quite well with the magnetic liner and the magnets. I feel like it's giving me a lot of quality, like adhere, for lack of better words. So I actually really do like this. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. This set on Amazon is $25 Canadian, and I think for value it's really good. So I'm actually gonna give this an 8 out of 10. Giving us a final score of 30 out of 40. If you guys love videos like this, remember to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.